everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. So guys, today in this video I will explain Blockdate Network. In this video I will explain each and everything about this project. So if you are new and first time on my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. Before going to start this further review, disclaimer: this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So let's start the review now. So guys, today topic, which is the name of Blockdate. So Blockdate is the most advanced layer 1 protocol of 2025, powered by hybrid Populous DAC technology. Guys, I will introduce you, highlight is upcoming token 49% bonus Singapore showcase, guys, and expanding meme coin ecosystem, game fit pre-sale, buy bull and dashboard before trading simulation. And guys, remaining agents around the limit 49% bonus available in October 1 before the token hits exchange. So guys, here is token and here is major some exchange, global level exchange, which is the name of Maxi, LB, Coinstore, Bitmart. It will be listed soon, guys. And now I will introduce you each and everything about these details. So guys, now I will show you each and everything about this detail. And now you can see here this 86 million raised dollar. Now guys, you can see here, and also you can join pre-sale. And now again I will show you each and everything. Now guys, I will show you filtering blockchain security at every layer. So guys, also you can see here about details on the Blockdate is reviewing how layer is work with hybrid pro and DAC tech over 3 million miners and game fit pre-sale. Better are the massive showdown coming off the token 2020-24/9. Singapore has the Blockdate landing in 2025 crypto revolution. Now guys, I will introduce you. You can see here this introductional edits and expanded habits, and now you can see here external credit to collateral details. Also guys, you can see here this refer program. Now you can check out, here is the top exchange listing confirmed, which is the name of Maxi, LBK, Coinstore, Bitmart, guys. Also you can find out, and now you can see here this download this app, and now you can see here Blockdate. And also guys, you can see here what is Blockdate. I will introduce you Blockdate and is the most layer about one protocol of 2025. So guys, I will show you each and everything about this day. Code distribution, like you can see here listing for decentralized, secure and AMI completed and drop innovation free. Now guys, you can see here this team strength by our positional. So guys, you can find out this detail our partners. Now you can see here some partner which keynotes you can find out, and you can see here this keynote and media partnership. Also you can say join this fastest growing community. So guys, here some another video you can see here latest updates. Now you can see here this latest update. You can also check out 386 million raised, guys. And now guys, how to join this pre-sale, guys. Now I will introduce you, and is a very amazing, guys. And now in how to join this amazing pre-sale. Now guys, first you can connect your wallet. Now I am going to connect my wallet. Do you have any wallet? Now you can download MetaMask and Coin Wallet, and you can also download Trust Wallet now. So now guys, I will connect my wallet. So here some exchange and major interface you can see here, guys. Also you can check out this final conditions. Also I will connect now. Now you can see here my wallet is successfully, guys, connect. Here some detail. Blockdate launching on token 2049 Singapore for a limited time. Get a 24/19 bonus on every bag purchase. Pre-sale landing soon. Now guys, you can see here, guys, I will introduce you. Now you can check out this by minor details. Also you can find out this leaderboard, guys. Also you can see here some details, and now you can check out this detail about this project. So guys, you can see, so guys, here some Blockdate dashboard. Now I will show you each and everything about this platform. So guys, here's some detail on buy manner. Also guys, you can see here you can enter your Ethereum. Now you can check out, do your own research. Also you can see here your refers, and now here your refer links, guys. Also I providing, and you can see here each and everything about blog deck dashboard. Here is the leaderboard details guys, and also you can check out blog deck manner, medium manner and low manner, and also guys you can see here blog deck high manner. Also guys you can see here all detail, and you can see here each and everything. Now I will show you trade and blog deck details. Also guys you can see here this blog deck dashboard. Also guys you can see here this order book. Also you can check out this price graph. Now you can see here guys this amazing detail. Also you can see check out trade section on blog dashboard platform. Now guys I will introduce you. Now you can must be follow this official Discord community. Also you can must be join Telegram community that have a latest update news in which. And now guys you can going on official website, and I will show you something guys. And here you can see here this the Wax Manor 1 hits, and also you can check out guys. And now you can see here this live AI May season Thursday, and now you can see here guys amazing details. Also you can see here guys, and you can check out this enter official partner. Now guys you can enter here, and you can see here X1 manner per post, and now you can check out this blog date. And now guys here is the meet blog date team. Here is check out details on this amazing project. So guys this project is very amazing guys, and blog day is a number one layer on 2025. So guys I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.